Welcome to Healing and Mastery, the podcast where we turn pain into power and dreams into reality. I'm Joanne, your guide to healing, self mastery, and unlocking your true potential. Let's grow, learn, laugh, and transform together. Because remember, you're not just healing, you are mastering life. Hey there, beautiful soul, and welcome to the very first episode of Healing and Mastery. My name is Joanne, and today we are diving into a topic that's deeply personal to me: the connection between addiction and childhood trauma. If you have ever struggled with addiction or know someone who has, you have probably wondered, why does this happen? Why do we fall into these destructive cycles? Well, buckle up because we are about to get real, raw, and most importantly, honest. So first, I want to start with a little story of my life. I didn't wake up one day and decide to be addicted to alcohol and cocaine and weeds. Yeah, those three. No one does. For me, it started way back in my childhood. I grew up in chaos, abuse, neglect, constant fear. You know, Instead of feeling safe and loved, I learned to survive. But here's the thing: when you grow up in survival mode, you don't learn how to cope in healthy ways. So, when the pain got too much, I turned to substances. Alcohol and drugs became my escape, my way of numbing the wounds that I didn't even realize I had. I thought they were helping me, but they were just burying the pain deeper. Sound familiar, right? Well, here's the truth, loves. Addiction is almost never about the substance. It's about the pain we are trying to escape. And for so many of us, that pain traces back to childhood trauma. Maybe it was abuse, neglect, or growing up in a toxic environment. Maybe it was a parent who wasn't emotionally available. When we experience trauma as kids, it messes with how we see the world and ourselves. Our nervous system gets stuck in fight or flight mode, and our brains crave something, anything, to make the pain stop. And that's where addiction sneaks in. It promises relief, but it's a lie. In reality, it only creates more pain. But here's the good news, loves. Addiction isn't the end of your story. It wasn't for me, and it doesn't have to be for you. Healing is possible, but it starts with recognizing that addiction isn't about weakness or failure. It's about unhealed fucking wounds. Yes, I said that. Unhealed fucking wounds. And once you start healing those wounds, that's when the real magic happens. So, how do we start? I know it's hard, but of course, healing is not easy. But I'm gonna tell you, it's worth it. It's worth the fight, okay? So here are few things that help me. First, acknowledge the pain. I know it's not easy, but you have to face those feelings you have been avoiding. Trust me, avoiding them is what keeps the cycle going, okay? And the second one, find healthy coping mechanisms. For me, I started first with meditation. No, no, not okay. So no, the very beginning when I started back in 2018, it was first journaling. I was full with anger. I was this Asian hack, you know. So I started first with journaling, and yeah, it was a game changer. And then meditation. They help me process emotions without numbing them. And the third, get support, whether it's therapy, a coach, or a supportive community. Remember, you don't have to do this alone. Healing is hard, but it's easier when you have someone in your corner. Okay? It's messy. Guys, I I'm gonna tell you already right now. Healing is messy. It's not a straight line, but every step you take brings you closer to your freedom. Okay? So, addiction, remember this, okay? Addiction doesn't define you. Your trauma doesn't define you. You are so much more than your pain. If no one's told you today, let me be the first. Okay? I'm proud of you just by being here. Listening means you are ready to heal. And that's a very powerful first step. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone you might need, someone who might need to hear it. And don't forget, guys, don't forget to follow me, okay? Because we're just getting started. You're not just healing, remember, okay? You are not just healing, you are mastering yourself so you can master your life, okay? So that's it for the our very first episode. Thank you for being here, beautiful soul. Until next time, stay strong, stay hopeful, and remember, you've got this, okay? Mwah.